You know how it feels, uncomfortable, bloated, sometimes even painful. Constipation can make life miserable, but you don't have to live with it. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through the 5 essentials to curing constipation. And trust me, the 5th one might just change everything. All right, let's dive into number 1. Number 1, understand your symptoms and get evaluated. You might be wondering, how often should I be going? Ideally, you should be having a bowel movement every day to every other day. And when you do, it should feel complete. No straining, minimal bloating, and no lingering cramps. If you're going less often, feel like you haven't fully emptied, or find yourself straining, then yes, you are dealing with constipation. Now I get it. Talking to your doctor about bowel habits, it's awkward, maybe even embarrassing. But the fact that you clicked on this video tells me something. It's affecting you, and you're ready to do something about it. Opening up to your doctor helps create a plan. They might suggest further evaluation, like a colonoscopy or imaging. Most of the time, it's just constipation, but sometimes symptoms point to something more. So once you've been evaluated, what's next? Let's go to number 2. Number 2, diet is the key. Every bite you take sends a message to your gut, and trust me, it listens. The worst offenders, salty foods like chips, steak, salted nuts, jerky, and bacon. Even that crispy Chick-fil-A sandwich, I know it's delicious, but it's not doing your gut any favors. Processed foods, especially fast food, slow down everything. Instead, load up on vegetables, try prunes. And here's a secret weapon, kiwis. Yep, kiwis have been shown to improve bowel movements, frequency, and ease constipation symptoms. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about what you drink. Water is essential. Real water, not vitamin water, not soda, not sports drinks. If plain water isn't your thing, add a splash of lemon or a bit of Crystal Light. Just make sure you're staying hydrated. Still not improving? Let's talk about number 3. Number 3, medications can help or hurt. Miralax is one of the best tools out there. It's a powder, so you can adjust the dose gently. Just remember, it takes a few days to kick in. Be patient. If you're going regularly but not feeling empty, Metamucil might help. It's made of psyllium, a soluble fiber that's easier on your gut and less likely to cause bloating. But here's the flip side. Some medications cause constipation. Common culprits, blood pressure meds like metoprolol or diltiazem, diuretics, also known as water pills like hydrochlorothiazide or Lasix, especially newer weight loss drugs like Wegovy or Ozempic will actually slow gut movement. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist to review your meds. Then talk to your doctor about what might be contributing. Now, let's talk about something you might not expect. Number 5, you're made to relax and squat. Sounds strange, right? But it's true. Your pelvic floor muscles play a huge role in bowel movements. Normally, they act like a sling, keeping things in place until it's time to go. When everything works together, the rectal muscles contract and the pelvic floor relaxes. That's what allows a smooth, complete bowel movement. But if your pelvic muscles stay tight while your rectum pushes, it's like trying to push against a wall. There's good news. This can be treated. Enter the squatty potty. It elevates your knees, simulating a gentle squat. This helps relax the pelvic floor and makes bowel movements more effective. You can also try slowly exhaling, like making a moo sound or pretending to blow up a balloon. It increases belly pressure without straining. Still struggling? Ask your doctor about pelvic floor physical therapy, also called biofeedback therapy. It can make a world of difference. If you want to learn about a new blood test for colon cancer screening, click here. I'm Dr. K from iMedicalSchool, and remember, keep learning to empower your health.